Hi guys, this is Michelle. This is my quick web tutorial on the website EasyCBM. This is a great tool for teachers who need a quick assessment for their students. This is the light version, so it's the free version. Some school districts do pay for the full site where you can get access to the interventions and other resources like Spanish version tests and things like that. So right up here you can choose your students. I already have my students in my class. You can create a new student if you want, up to 200. When you add a new student, you just put their name in, and then you can choose their grade level. You can add their gender, race, ethnicity, things like that. You can also add if they are special education or if they're English language learner. And then they will pop up on your list right over here. You can add groups as well if you had different levels of students, but I just keep all mine together. It just makes it easier for myself. When we go back over to the dashboard, you can choose some measures. So these are little benchmark quizzes and things. They're organized by grade level, so kinder all the way through 8th grade. My students are all 2nd grade, so I'll go in there. There's different ones that you can choose. There's reading and there's math, and they all go off of California Common Core because that's how I set mine up. So reading fluency, you can print out a student copy and an assessor copy, and you can enter their scores. So one of their fluency tests would pop up and it looks like this, and on the assessor copy it does have directions on how to score. And it's a time test, so the student would get a certain amount of time, which can give you access to what they're reading. There are also passages that they can read, 9 different ones, and you can enter their scores over here on the right hand side. There's also multiple choice reading quizzes. You can take them online or you can even preview them. Like this first one will pop up. It has the story, and they can change what size they want. So if they need the font bigger, they can do that. Once they read, they have questions, and there's just a few questions that can give you access to how they're reading and what they're comprehending. There's also some math ones, so some math numbers and operations. You can pull this one up, and it has another multiple choice where you can take this on paper, you can print it out right up here, or you can do it online. Take it online, and then the scores are automatically entered for that student. There's also some measurement ones. Since it is 2nd grade, they're starting to learn those, and then some operations in algebra. So if we're looking at one of these, we can enter the scores. So it pops up. This is the date that you can that it is, so that you can keep your information all organized. Your students are right down here. If they did do a paper copy, you can just plug in their answers if they chose whatever they did, and then you can save their information. And it automatically saves it with the date and with each student. And you can scroll down for whichever students took this quiz. Once everything is scored, you can go into reports, and right up here you can see you can do it by groups or by individuals. So we only have that one that was logged in with this little guy Felix. He had 2 tests completed. I can set up goals and interventions for him on the paid version, not on the free version, unfortunately. But this will show you some graphs and some different things that you can use. And right down here it shows you their scores. So they, this little quick one only got 1 out of 16, is 6% correct. So you can see where your students are at any given time, and they're just really quick, easy quizzes to give in the classroom because I know we're all busy. There are some extra resources, extra trainings and things like that if you were unsure of how to use any of the services on here. But that is a quick demonstration of EasyCBM, something that I use in my classroom all the time. Thanks for watching.